Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Is This Love on guitar. We'll start by breaking down the essential chord shapes you'll need, focusing on the 4 main chords that form the backbone of the song. Then, we'll dive into the iconic reggae strumming pattern, which is crucial for capturing that authentic Bob Marley feel. Get ready to groove and bring this classic to life on your instrument. Let's get into the core chords for Is This Love. You'll mainly be working with 4 fundamental open chords: a major, D major, E major, and G major. These are common shapes, making the song accessible for many players. Focus on transitioning smoothly between them, especially as the progression repeats. The verse and chorus sections largely follow the same 4-chord pattern, making it easy to memorize. Now for the signature reggae strumming. The key is to emphasize the upstroke, often on the end of each beat, creating a distinct offbeat feel. You'll want to mute the strings slightly with your fretting hand between strums to achieve that percussive, chukka-chukka sound. This rhythmic approach is what gives reggae its infectious groove, so practice it slowly until it feels natural and consistent. Finally, let's put everything together. Begin by playing the chord progression with the reggae strumming pattern at a very slow tempo. Focus on clean chord changes and a consistent rhythm. As you gain confidence, gradually increase your speed. Remember to listen closely to Bob Marley's original recording to internalize the timing and the overall feel. With practice, you'll be playing Is This Love like a pro.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.